2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners Kawasaki Z400. In the realm of motorcycles tailored for beginners, the 2024 Kawasaki Z400 stands out as an exceptional choice, offering a perfect blend of exhilarating performance, user-friendly features, and a stylish design. Renowned for its dynamic character and approachable demeanor, the Z400 caters to novice riders seeking a naked street bike that not only delivers on performance but also provides an engaging and enjoyable riding experience. 1. Striking naked street design. The Kawasaki Z400 showcases a minimalist and aggressive design that defines the essence of naked street motorcycles. With sharp lines, a distinctive headlight, and exposed components, the Z400 exudes a raw and modern aesthetic. The bike's design not only attracts riders seeking a bold and dynamic look but also sets the stage for an adrenaline-fueled riding experience. 2. Responsive parallel twin engine. At the heart of the Z400 is a responsive 399 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers an exciting and manageable performance. The engine's smooth power delivery and torque make it an ideal choice for riders transitioning from smaller displacement bikes. The Z400 offers sufficient power to satisfy the desire for speed while ensuring a controlled and accessible riding experience for those in the early stages of their motorcycling journey. 3. Nimble and lightweight handling. Weighing in at a modest figure, the Z400 features a lightweight and agile chassis, contributing to nimble and confident handling. Novice riders will appreciate the bike's responsiveness, allowing for smooth maneuvering through city streets and precise control on winding roads. The Z400's balanced handling encourages skill development without overwhelming beginners, providing a gradual introduction to the dynamics of naked street riding. 4. Comfortable ergonomics for versatile riding. The Z400 is designed with rider comfort in mind, featuring a versatile and upright riding position. The bike's wide handlebars and well-padded seat contribute to a comfortable and relaxed posture, allowing riders to enjoy both short city commutes and longer rides. The Z400's rider-friendly ergonomics make it suitable for various riding scenarios, enhancing the overall versatility of the motorcycle. 5. User-friendly features. Tailored for beginners, the Z400 incorporates user-friendly features that simplify the riding experience. The bike features straightforward controls, an easy-to-read instrument panel, and a light clutch, making it an excellent platform for riders new to the world of motorcycling. The Z400 ensures that beginners can focus on enjoying the ride without being overwhelmed by unnecessary complexities. Conclusion. In the diverse world of beginner motorcycles, the 2024 Kawasaki Z400 emerges as an exhilarating and accessible choice for riders eager to embrace the spirit of naked street riding. Its striking design, responsive parallel twin engine, nimble handling, comfortable ergonomics, and user-friendly features make it an ideal option for beginners seeking a dynamic and engaging riding experience. Whether navigating city streets, carving through twisty roads, or simply enjoying the thrill of naked street riding, the Z400 offers a versatile and supportive platform for novice enthusiasts. As a testament to Kawasaki's commitment to providing an exciting entry point into the world of naked street motorcycles, the 2024 Kawasaki Z400 rightfully claims its place as one of the best motorcycles for beginners in the current market.